Hello, I'm Roger here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough in Scarborough, Maine. Just wanted to do a nice short video on this 2021 144 wheelbase cab chassis. Really nice cutaway. Just do a nice walk around so folks can see that we have this in stock. And just like the rest of our Sprinter vans, it does have the it's got the fuel filler right here. Open the driver's side door. We'll get a nice shot of the interior. This does have cloth seats with cruise control, heated electric mirrors, so it does have a few amenities. And I mentioned cutaway, so this is blocked off right now, but it's for a box that you can put on, have installed, so you could pass through from the cab into the back. So as you can see, it's the bare frame here in the back. But we'll make a really nice work truck for someone out there. So if there's anyone out there that's looking for a cab chassis, short wheelbase, please feel free to give me a call. My name's Roger. You can reach me on my cell at 207-838-0169.